Chainsaw sound. How do you do the sound?
Put your lips together like this and push air up and make it like this.
I'll give that one block for explaining it. So what you do is you put your lips together, kind of like the puff snare, but keep your lips together and blow out. To get the sound, you put your lips together even closer to get that tinier sound. It's from when your lips are tight and your teeth are what channel the air. Let the air flow through your teeth. If you let your lips loose, it makes the motor sound. But the cutting sound, you got the chainsaw sound now? Do you think it's enough? Do you think they know how to do it?
Yeah.
I hope so. If you don't know how to do it, comment below. Joel and I got some work to do, right? Yeah. I'm thirsty. You want some water? So we're gonna teach you two sounds. The drinking water sound
And the water drop.
the water drop. Let's try teaching them the drinking water sound. I think that's easier. Step 1. What part of your mouth do you use?
Your tongue.
Your tongue. Ding! Here's one more for you. So step 1 to do the drinking water sound is you take your tongue and you do this. Next step is to hold your breath and try to pull your throat down. If you pull your throat down, it gives a hollow sound. That's what gives the bottled sound. If you don't pull your throat down, it's gonna sound like. And if you open your mouth from small to big, that gives the water emptying. So you have learned the drinking water sound.
Congratulations.
But now, what about the water drop sound?
Then just add one more step. Put your mouth into a O. Then that's what I do.
Should your mouth be open or closed or somewhere in the middle?
Middle.
Middle. It's kind of like a whistle. If you can breathe in and whistle, yeah, then you're on a good direction. So, take your tongue, do that, and put your mouth in that position, and draw your mouth down. This sound uses only the air in your mouth, so it's like a tree. And you can flick your cheek and make the sound. And so, you have learned the water drop sound. So if you didn't get any of these, we have more in-depth tutorials for you to watch. If you want, we got classes below for kids, online, friendly. You got it. Anything you want to say to them before I end the video?
Sign up to explore more.
Oh, explore more. I like that.
Thank
Thank you
you
for
for
watching.
watching.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.